What's up, guys? It's your girl Mel, and welcome back to my channel. She's back. She is back. We have, remember I told you guys a few videos ago, I have a special surprise, a style that you guys really like. We are gonna run it back in a popping color. She's back. We are back with the Yanky Twist. So this is their new color, this spicy, yummy, delicious, I call it cherry cola red. I'm sure that's not what it's called, but like I like to call it that because it reminds me of a Coca-Cola bottle. Like, it is so beautiful. And then we have the black roots that give it a nice ombre effect. So I have in length long, but you guys know I always have to shape this up when you install it at first. It's cute, it's wearable, but I love to add different curly cuts essentially every time I install this. So I tried something a bit different because I've done like the side part, I've done the center part with a little bit of layers. So I was like, you know what, today let's just do a full bang moment. The color is so vibrant. I feel like against my skin tone, it would just really pop with a bang, and it did. It did what it was supposed to do. Just to answer a quick question that a lot of you guys have asked me, how many packs? It's one pack, so it's not like separate packs you're using. And when I tell you, it goes a long way. I had so much hair left over, and I was still able to get it this full. And I also mentioned before, this hair is reusable, and I'm gonna show you a technique that makes the installation process even faster, and you can also take it out a bit faster instead of doing it like individually. But you guys will see all of that in the video. I don't wanna be yapping too much, but this was something just very new for me. Color-wise, I've worn reds, but not a red this vibrant. Anyway, with that being said, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, drop your comments below, any questions you have about this hair, and I will be sure to answer it. Without further ado, let's get into this tutorial. So I'm gonna show you guys the quickest method I use if you are just not a good braider and you wanna do this style really fast. I can cornrow, but I want to show you guys something a bit different. So you can just put your hair in 4 plaits, and then we are going to pin them at the back. So if you wanna do crochet braids, like I said, but you don't know how to braid and you feel like you can't do it yourself, this is like a really quick and easy way if you're just not the neatest and you can't do all those complex braid styles. This is the packaging that the hair comes in, and it comes in these sections. So you get about 8 of these sections. So this is what I mean by it is a lot of hair, y'all. A lot. Now for the fun part, let's start to crochet. So I'm going to show you guys another technique that makes this even faster. So instead of adding 1 hair at a time, I usually add 3 to 5. When you get to the front, you can make those knots a bit smaller. But just to quickly fill up the back, doing it one by one it would take you forever. So I usually add 3 to 5 to my crochet needle, and you're done so much faster. You still get a supernatural look. It's perfect. So I went ahead and finished up the back, and I'm gonna show you guys how to do the front. I did slow down these clips a little bit so you guys can see just more of a detail how to do the standard crochet if you don't know how to, but you just pull your needle through your hair, latch the hair and pull it through. It's so easy, and this hair has a perfect texture. You don't have to do multiple knots or like tie it, like pretty much you don't have to do anything extra to have the hair stay. Like one hook and the hair is not moving at all. So I wanted to install this first before shaping it because I never did length long, and I wanted to just see like how it was looking. But with this color, you need a banging shape. And by banging, that means we're doing the banging, like we're doing a bang. So that's another great thing though about the braid down I did, because it's kind of like loosey-goosey. The installation you can do is very versatile, so you can kind of style the hair however you want afterwards. If you want to do a side part, bangs, whatever, but I went for bangs. As for cutting, I am no pro at this. Like I always say, just do little by little, because once you cut it, you can't get it back. So I just kind of play around with it, see what shapes my face the best, and that's how I get the results I get. So give it a try. So I'm just gonna let you guys enjoy these beauty looks. As I said before, I used all 5 packs. I think I had like a few strands left over and whatnot, but that's how I got it to look really full and beautiful. And the 1 pack comes with 5 bundles in it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this technique I showed you. Just a little, cheat way to install the hair a lot faster by using multiple strands. I know you guys would probably wonder, like, is all your bases covered? Is the back covered? I'm going to show you guys the back in a little. Everything is covered, babes. Nothing is showing. We are covered. You can catch her up in a little ponytail if you want to. I'd probably still put a headband on just because we didn't do the most versatile method, but this is the easiest method. And for those wondering how to take this down, I do have a takedown video on my channel, and I will link that for you guys as well. All right, guys, so we have the finished product of the hair. I had to come out somewhere where there's more light because I started filming and then literally a hurricane started. That is living in Florida. That's how it is. It can be sunny one second, then dark. But thank God my foyer has so much light, so we could really have this color pop. But the technique I showed you guys saves so much time. The technique and also the no cornrow method, because there's some people who want to do crochet braids. The crocheting part is easy, but I know the cornrowing can sometimes be a hassle, but you don't have to know how to do it. As long as you know how to do like a plait, I wouldn't really say a twist might not hold up, but as long as you know how to do a plait, you're okay, and you can still do crochet braids yourself and save your money. Let me just give you guys more views so you could see the material, And I love that I switched to bangs, because at first, I don't know, I just was not feeling the center part, not with this length and this color. Like when I saw it, I was like, this is low-key giving Janet Jackson velvet rope. So we're just gonna emulate that cut. That's what we're gonna do. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys next week.